Hello, in front of me I've got Alfa Romeo Stelvio. In this video I'll show you where are the fuse boxes in your car. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of engine compartment. Here is the first fuse box and here is the second fuse box. In order to open them, we have to push these locks and remove this cover. And here we have to unscrew those two screws. Then we can lift this cover up. The third fuse box is located in the trunk. So let's open the trunk and open this drawer. Third fuse box is located right here, behind this cover and behind this cover. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.